Alright guys, 6:46 a.m. I'm just checking the room, making sure I'm not leaving anything. I'm checking out today. Just got a few more things. Hopefully do this in one more trip. Maybe not. I gotta grab a bag. But hopefully 2 more trips, clean this out, head to the job. Hey, here we are back on the job site. I'm the first one here. Someone else is here, but I don't know who they are. First one here almost every day. But I'll check back in with you guys later. I'm gonna start working and go from there. Alright guys, heading out. It's about 4 p.m. Heading home now. I'll be back here next week to this job site. So helping out this contractor so far is working out. Should be good to go for the rest of the project. We both have our different methods and whatnot, but we're working it out and everything's coming out well. It looks like I'll be home at 6:45, so 2 hours 45 minutes from now I will be home. I'm heading back to the family, to the wife and to the kids. Can't wait to see everybody. It's been a while. I haven't been away from my wife or my kids really for this amount of time ever, so it'd be great to see them. It's beautiful out here though. It's pretty much almost 60 degrees right now and the sun's out. It's been a really beautiful day. It's crazy how this morning it's 30 something and now it's almost 60. Alright guys, I will check in with you guys in a little bit. Give you a call in about an hour, so I'll give you an update. One more shot of the bridge now and the Hudson River when it's nice and sunny out. Beautiful, right? Pretty much the same way. Go back to the hotel. I went back this way to head home. Okay guys, update 5:23 p.m. Saying 6:48 p.m. so only 3 minutes behind. Pretty accurate so far. We'll see when I actually get home. I am about 71 miles out right now. So we get in there. Been pretty smooth so far. Not much traffic at all. Pretty much a straight shot so far. So that's what's going on. Not sure where I'm at right now. Getting on at 287. Yeah, we're about to be in New Jersey right now on 287. So here we are in New Jersey. All right, guys, I'll give you an update another hour or so. About to be home. 6:45 on the dot. Here we go, folks. I will check back in with you when I go back up to this project. Thanks for watching.